Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another other useful and informative video which is about how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your iPhone. So how to fix this issue? So I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest video. So fix this issue. How can fix Wi-Fi not working on your iPhone? So first of all, you have opened the setting and you have click on Wi-Fi and then you have turn off and then you have few seconds wait and then you have turn on and then you have fix and then other solution you have go back and then you have is flight mode is 2 to 3 times flight mode turn on and off on your iPhone. So then as other solution you have restart your iPhone, volume up button, volume down button, and the press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen. Then if your problem will be fixed. And then other solution you have, open the setting and then you have click on general and then scroll up, then you have seen a last option is shut down on your iPhone. Then you have click on shut down and then you have see the Apple logo on your screen and then wait for a few seconds and then uh, restart your mobile and then fix your problem. And then you have must be latest update on your iPhone. So how can latest update on your iPhone? So you have open the setting and then you have click on general and then you have click on software update and then you have must be install a software update on your iPhone. Then you have make sure you have check the internet connection on your iPhone. So then have fully then 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.